Are you getting the project creation failed error in the VN editor app? Or is the new project option not working at all? Don't worry, in this video I will show you the exact reason behind this problem and how to fix the problem in just a few seconds. So let's get started. First of all, open the VN editor app. Now if you see the project creation failed error while creating a new project, here's the reason. The free version of VN allows you to create up to 100 projects. Once you reach that limit, you won't be able to create a new project. So how do you fix this problem? It's very simple. At first, exit the VN editor app. Now long press the VN app icon. After that, tap on App Info. Then tap on Storage and Cache. Now tap on Clear Cache. After clearing the cache, tap on Clear Storage. Then tap on Delete to clear the app data. Now go back to the home screen and open the VN Editor app again. And if I tap on New Project, you can see that it opens successfully without any error. That means the problem has been fixed. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.